SpaceX's colossal Starship spacecraft met with a catastrophic end in space on Thursday, exploding just minutes after its launch from Texas. This incident prompted the Federal Aviation Administration to halt air traffic in parts of Florida. This marks the second consecutive failure this year for Elon Musk's ambitious Mars rocket program. Numerous videos circulated on social media, capturing fiery debris streaking across the evening skies near southern Florida and the Bahamas. This occurred after Starship disintegrated in space shortly after it began spinning uncontrollably, leading to engine shutdowns, as shown in SpaceX's live stream of the mission. This 8th Starship test failure comes just over a month after the 7th test, also concluded in an explosive failure. These back-to-back mishaps happened during early mission phases that SpaceX had previously surpassed with ease, representing a setback for a program that Musk aimed to accelerate this year. Standing at 403 feet, 123 meters, the rocket system is pivotal to Musk's vision of sending humans to Mars by the turn of the decade. The Federal Aviation Administration briefly issued ground stops at Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Palm Beach, and Orlando airports due to concerns over space launch debris. The agency has initiated a mishap investigation into the incident. The rocket launched around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 23:30 GMT, from SpaceX's expansive Boca Chica, Texas rocket facilities. The Super Heavy first stage booster returned to Earth as planned and was successfully captured mid-air by a SpaceX crane. However, minutes later, SpaceX's live stream depicted the Starship upper stage spinning uncontrollably in space. A visualization of the rocket's engines showed multiple engines shutting down. The company then reported losing contact with the ship, drawing a connection to the previous flight. A SpaceX spokesperson remarked on the live stream, "Unfortunately, this happened last time too, so we've got some practice now." In a statement released late Thursday, SpaceX explained that Starship experienced an energetic event in its aft section, leading to the loss of several engines. This resulted in a loss of attitude control and ultimately a loss of communications with Starship, the statement detailed. Final contact with Starship occurred approximately 9 minutes and 30 seconds after liftoff. SpaceX assured that there were no toxic materials among the debris. The January Starship failure ended 8 minutes into flight when the rocket exploded, scattering debris over Caribbean islands and causing minor damage to a car in the Turks and Caicos Islands. The Federal Aviation Administration, which regulates private rocket launches, stated that its investigation would require SpaceX to determine the cause of the failure and obtain the agency's approval before Starship can fly again. Last month, the Federal Aviation Administration approved SpaceX's launch license for Thursday's test flight, while its investigation into the company's previous Starship failure was still open. The agency mentioned it had reviewed SpaceX's license application and early details from the company's mishap investigation